Good morning, Ahmed. Today we are going to practice some tricky English pronunciation. Are you ready? I think so, Dr. Walid, but English pronunciation confuses me. Don't worry, my dear. We will make it fun. Let's start with these two words, desert and dessert. Desert and desert. Not quite. The first one is like the hot sandy place. The second is the sweet treat you have after dinner. Desert and dessert. Desert, dessert. Try again. Just remember, you would have more dessert just because it is so sweet. I definitely would. Let's try these two more. Bear and bear. Bear, bear. Bear and bear. They sound the same, Dr. Walid. They do, but the first means something that is naked or somebody who's naked or without clothes. And the second is the furry big animal. So if I see a bear, I should definitely bare my legs and run away. Not quite, but actually, it's one way to remember. I will try to remember that. How about this one? Read, 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 and read. Wait, are they the same? Exactly. They look the same, but the pronunciation changes. If it is in present, it is read. If it is in the past, it is like read. English is so weird, Dr. Walid. How can one word be two different things? I know it is confusing, Ahmed, but that what makes English so much fun to learn. Fun for you, Dr. Walid. For me, it's a brain workout. Let's keep going. That is the spirit. So let's keep practicing. The next word is right and right.